Whether you're joining us today at a class assembly or just want to find out a little bit more about us, we give you a very warm welcome to Brooklands College. I'm Jo, this is Sarah Louise, we are your school liaison team.
We're going to be taking you through lots of the different curriculum areas that we have and also a lot of the different support services that we have for our students.
We have an excellent working relationship with our schools and are here to support you in any way we can. We are here today at our Weybridge campus, which is our main campus. We also have a smaller campus at Ashford and are very excited to announce that our High Street located hair and beauty salon will be opening on the Ashford High Street in the 2021 academic year. So what do we offer? What Brooklands College does and does very, very well is to provide vocational, also known as technical courses at all levels. So what are vocational courses? Vocational courses offer a hands-on, a practical approach to learning, designed with industry specialists to give students a real insight into their chosen sector of work. Vocational courses are liked by both students and employers who really value the relevant industry skills that the students have gained. Most of our students, in addition to the main course, undertake work experience as part of their study. This again increases their employability potential following completion of the course. We integrate English and Maths into all our course provision and will help students that have not attained a minimum of level 4 to gain these essential qualifications. It is really important that you do the very best you can at school in English and Maths. So now on to our main course options.
There are 4 courses within our digital industries curriculum area. They're art and design, business, media and computing. So the first course I want to tell you about is the art and design course at Brooklands. We have state-of-the-art workshop and studios, a Mac suite, and we do a lot of screen printing, fashion and jewellery workshops as well. A lot of the courses involve drawing, painting, textiles and mixed media, and a lot of our students go on to study at University for the Creative Arts. Our business course has a number of very interesting units within it, including business communication, new product development, internet marketing and relationship marketing. On the business course, as part of the course assessment, the students work on something called the Big Idea Challenge, which is run by London Metropolitan University. We were very lucky to be the winners this year. Because of the nature of this course, students are able to enter a wide variety of career areas and industry sectors. The media courses we run are both theoretical and practical in terms of understanding media stories. We focus on radio, TV and print communication. We have a recording studio, editing suites and a green screen. And many of our students again either go on to university or to work in the TV and media industry. Our computing and IT courses focus very much on coding and programming as well as website design. In addition to the coding, our course also offers students the opportunity to work in games design and programming of computer games. Computing and IT as an industry is very much a growth one, particularly given the pandemic and the situation we're in at the moment, with a lot of people needing to work from home and remotely. A lot of our students who work on our IT courses go to work in a wide variety of different sectors and employers because, again, IT can give you that flexibility.
We have a number of options within the services industry sector: hair and beauty, child studies, health and social care, sport, public services, catering and hospitality, and travel and tourism. Firstly, hair and beauty. We have outstanding specialist facilities for our hair and beauty students at Weybridge, and as I previously mentioned, we will be opening a salon with a high street presence this academic year in Ashford, which is really exciting for our students. The hair and beauty department is very proactive and vibrant. They take part in in-house and external competitions with enormous success. Our students gained the first 6 places at the 2020 National Hair and Beauty Competition at Blackpool this year, which is an amazing achievement. The department is run very much like a business. External clients are booked in for their treatments by our students, and they learn the important client service skills that is so vital in the industry. The catering department of Brooklands College is really well regarded, both internally but also in the local community. Like the hair and beauty department, the students are trained not only to prepare and cook really excellent dishes, but also benefit from the on-site Brooks restaurant, where they learn key teamwork and customer service skills. The department hosts exciting and varied events throughout the year, including Halloween, Burns Night, charity events and seasonal celebrations. So the students, along with their work experience, get a real insight into this exciting sector, and one we all really hope will show a real comeback after the global pandemic. The Child Studies and Education courses at Brooklands College prepare our students very well for a career in the sector. Students learn about the physical, emotional, intellectual and social needs of different aged children, and valuable work experience helps the students see how to apply their knowledge in practice. Our students go on to a wide range of careers following their study, and many progress into higher education. Similarly, if you would like to work in the health and social care sector, we have courses at all levels. There has never been a time where the value of NHS and support service sector has been more greatly valued and appreciated. Our students learn important transferable skills such as effective communication, as well as a real insight of our work experience into this rewarding sector. Our Level 3 students have the opportunity to become an NHS cadet, working at Ashford and St Peter hospitals, which is a really exciting opportunity. Many of the students at our local feeder schools enjoy taking sport and physical education option at GCSE and want to continue to study at a higher level. There is a massive emphasis at the moment on getting fitter and healthier, and our courses provide the knowledge and practical skills needed to succeed in the industry. So whether you would like to go into sports coaching or perhaps become a much in demand personal trainer, a course at Brooklands College will be an excellent place to start. It is a very proactive department, and not surprisingly perhaps, the students are fortunate to be offered the opportunity to take part in a number of sports trips throughout their study. The travel and tourism sector as a whole is one that has been greatly affected by the global pandemic. However, with the UK travel and tourism sector booming due to staycations this year and overseas travel predicted to recover by 2022, it's a perfect time to study travel and tourism. If you enjoy meeting new people and delivering exceptional customer service, then our travel and tourism courses could just be the ticket. As with all our courses, we work with local companies and providers, and our travel and tourism students complete parts of their assessment with leading airline operators, and the work experience they complete gives them the really competitive edge in the local job market. Our travel and tourism courses help you to develop the transferable skills and qualities you need to succeed in any industry. Our final services department is our Uniform Public Services department. People who choose to work in uniformed public services, whether this is the emergency service or armed forces, do so because they like the variety and the challenge. Teamwork, self-discipline and commitment are key skills that are developed throughout the course. Public service students start their course with a demanding and character-building boot camp, which sets the tone for the high standards demanded throughout the course. They are fortunate to go on a wide variety of trips and have industry specialists visiting the college to talk about their particular field of work, which are always very well received by the students. The Commissioner of the Metropolitan Police acted as guest of honour at last year's annual passing out parade, and in her motivational speech she said, "The skills you have learned at Brooklands College will stand you in very good stead for the future." There are 3 departments within our STEM curriculum area: Applied Science, Engineering and Construction, where I am today. Our applied science courses at the college focus on the world of forensics. Forensic scientists aid criminal investigations by collecting and analysing scientific evidence. Over the past few years, the department has grown from strength to strength. and we are the only FE college to be awarded the Chartered Society of Forensic Sciences. We have fantastic facilities and benefit from extensive grounds where students collect evidence from set crime scenes. Many of our students progress into HE to study criminology and forensics, others progress onto a wide range of careers within the field. Our construction department is the fastest growing department in terms of applications. The workshops and facilities are outstanding, enabling the students to gain their practical skills they need to succeed in the industry. The industry as a whole is one that is likely to see a massive boom in the years to come as the government promotes a massive post-pandemic development strategy. We offer three main areas. Firstly, bricklaying, where our students excel in both local and national competitions. The standard of work achieved by our students during their study with us is a credit to them and the college. We have excellent links with industry specialists like Lee Marley and Fortum. We also offer a whole range of carpentry courses that prepare our students for a career in the industry. Skilled bricklayers and carpenters command a really excellent salary, so offer a really good opportunity for our students. We also provide electrical installation courses at our dedicated facilities at our Ashford campus. The courses provide the first steps to become a qualified electrician. Once again, the demand for fully trained professionals in this sector is strong, so offers excellent career opportunities and progression. Engineering is our largest department and a massive part of the history of Brooklands College. We have amazing facilities and our local schools are very fortunate to have them on their doorstep. There is currently a skills shortage for qualified engineers in the UK, so our courses provide a really good option for those interested in the sector. Our course areas within engineering include aeronautical, where our students gain experience in working with aircraft machinery, core engineering, a more general area that will build your practical skills, motorsport, a very popular course that will provide the specialist skills you need to succeed in this exciting area, and finally motor vehicle, the largest course in numbers of applications at the college. So if you are interested, please do get your application in as early as you can.
We also offer a large range of apprenticeships at Brooklands College. The government's putting an increasing emphasis on apprenticeships at the moment, and we work with a large number of employers across a number of sectors to develop apprenticeships with them. A lot of students like learning this way because they're also working in industry at the same time as being in college. Apprenticeships require students to do some work in the workplace and also some studying at college.
We will of course help and support you throughout your studies, whether it be by helping you secure work experience, progressing your English and maths skills, or providing careers advice and financial support. We have a dedicated ALS and SEN team that provides help and support to our students that need it. We also have a team of progression mentors that will work with you to build the skills you need, both from a personal development and employability viewpoint. We are very proud of what we have achieved as a college. Our Ofsted Good accreditation is a testament to the hard work of our students and staff. They were impressed with the advice and guidance that the students received and felt that they were part of a community and enjoyed their courses. They also commented on our extensive workshops and facilities in general, enabling the students to provide a high standard of practical work. We were pleased also that they found that the students had a positive attitude towards their learning. We encourage students to apply online as early in the academic year as possible, so that they can then focus on their GCSEs. We do, however, accept applications throughout the academic year and also accept paper applications. We always encourage students to attend open events, as it gives them a really good feel of the college and its fantastic facilities. However, due to the current situation, our events are likely, for the autumn term at least, to be virtual. We still will try to provide a really good insight into the college, and so please do attend these events. All the up-to-date information you require will be on our website. We do hope to welcome you in person to the college at some point during the academic year. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.